This demonstration will show that fuel treatments indeed remove fuel system deposits and that there are differences regarding the effectiveness of different fuel treatments. First, add a few milliliters of gasoline to each of 2 identical test tubes. Then add a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid to each test tube and swirl the test tubes to mix and coat the inside of the test tubes with the mixture. Do not try this at home, as sulfuric acid and gasoline can be very harmful if not handled properly. The acid will accelerate the oxidation process in the gasoline and help to cause heavy hydrocarbon deposits in the test tube, especially when heat is added to speed this process. These deposits will be representative of those that form on various components inside a vehicle's fuel system. Next, pour out the mixture in each test tube into an appropriate waste container. Now apply heat from a heat gun successively and equally to each test tube to further oxidize the gasoline acid residue and bake on the deposits formed by this mixture. After there are dark, hard deposits in each test tube, add a small amount of Wynn's Power Charge fuel treatment to one test tube and an equal amount of a name brand and quality competitive product to the other test tube. Stopper each test tube and shake the test tubes vigorously and equally. After a short time period, the test tube with Wynn's Power Charge is nearly free of deposits, while the test tube with a competitive product is much more heavily coated with deposits. As a final demonstration, the contents of the tube with the competitive product are poured out and the Wynn's Power Charge is added. This test tube is now stoppered and shaken vigorously. After a short time period, this test tube is virtually free of deposits. Still think all fuel treatments are the same? Don't you want the cleaning power of Wynn's Power Charge? Keep your fuel system clean with the best there is, Wynn's Power Charge. Seeing is believing.